What's going on, guys? So in the last month, I've been testing out hordes of products to get ready for Q4, and I stumbled upon a new product research method that I truly think is unfair. In the last month alone, I've launched 4 winning stores from this strategy, and I've also been showing all my students this strategy, and I've been getting some crazy results from them as well. So I'm going to be hopping into that today fully transparently, showing you how I'm finding these winning products. And just in case you don't believe me, I literally started this store this week and it's already up over 15K. So today I'm going to be giving you the absolute best strategy to go out and find some of these winning products. And the craziest thing about this strategy is that it literally only took me 5 minutes to find that product that's doing $15,000 per week. So with that being said, if you guys do enjoy this video and get some value, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. But now that's out of the way, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so truth be told, there isn't just one product research method that's responsible for all the results I've been getting in the last month. The best thing about this strategy that I'm using is it's omni-channel. So we're going to be using a few different platforms in today's video, and I truly think this is going to help us find the biggest variety of products and help us spot those products that are really going to get us those 5x returns that we want on paid ads. So with that being said, this first method that I'm going to be showing you today is something that I'm really excited about because I think it's truly been resurrected. This is a method I showed you guys how to do about 1.5 years ago, and just about a month after I showed how to do it, it got completely blocked. So you couldn't actually do this in Facebook anymore, but I now have a workaround. So how you do this is you go onto your Facebook profile and you need to download an app on the Google Chrome store called Ecom Radar. It's a completely free tool that helps us scrape Facebook for products. So when we click this on button, it's only going to show us advertisements in our feed, which is pretty crazy because now we're just going to have access to all of Facebook's top ads. And another way we can put this into high gear is we can find a dropshipping website like this site Veneto Design. We want to hit shop now on their ad, and we're going to actually be adding this product to cart, because what I'm going to be showing you is one way that we can trick the Facebook algorithm to thinking you bought this product. So let's just add this product to cart, and then we're going to want to check out. So once you finish adding the product to cart and are on the checkout page, you're going to want to go to your Facebook Pixel Helper. If you don't have this installed yet, it's also a Chrome tool. We're just going to click on this tool and you're going to see this drop down called Initiate Checkout. We're going to want to click that, and there's going to be this section here called Content IDs. So we're going to want to copy this number in between the brackets, and then I'm actually going to be posting this down in the description of the video. But there's this script over here that I'm going to show you. It says FBQ track purchase. So all we're going to want to do is take that number that we just copied, and we're going to want to paste it into these brackets over here. So now you should have this new line of code, and we're going to want to copy this, go back to that checkout page, and we're going to want to right click and hit inspect. What's going to happen is this developer tab is going to come up, and we're going to want to hit cancel, and then all we're going to want to do is paste this code and hit return. After you hit enter, you're going to notice a message that says undefined, and you're going to want to come back over to that Facebook Pixel Helper, click the drop down, and you should see a new section fired, which means purchase. And this actually means that Facebook recorded you as a purchase. And what that means is when we come back over to Facebook, click refresh and use that same app, Ecom Freedom, all we're gonna see is viral products, because now Facebook looks at us as a very valuable buyer in their ecosystem. So you're just gonna wanna make sure whenever you find a viral product, you hit these 3 dots over here and make sure you click save product. And why we do this is because whenever we come over this save tab over here, it's going to have all of our top product picks already put into this list. And then once you've located one of these viral products, we need to reach out to suppliers. So it's definitely going to be different depending if you're wanting to drop ship or not. But one really good way to source products just like this is to come to this app called Made in China. They have over 177,000 products on here. So let's say we're trying to locate a product like this luxury lamp that Veneto Design had. We can go on, type in luxury feather lamp, and you can see that they literally have almost the exact same designs. I believe this is the same design for like like $180 and that other company selling it for $1,700. So you can see how much potential you can have just by sourcing products from good suppliers. And you guys can download the Made in China app to locate products just like this. So I'll leave the link down in the description and also a QR code here if you want to scan it to sign up. But hold up guys, even if we do find that viral product on Facebook, it doesn't mean right away that we should test it, because there's going to be a few criteria we're looking at before we test this product out, just so we make sure we have the highest chance of success. So criteria number one that I go over is the product markup that I can be selling it at. How I determine this price is by looking at the price that suppliers are selling it for on AliExpress and apps like Made in China. So for example, if we can get that product shipped for $9.99, at very minimum, we'd want to be able to sell it at $29.99. And how we can look into the retail price is by locating other consumers that are currently selling the product and seeing at what price point they're selling at. And another criteria I'm looking at is product quality. Most people don't talk about this, but the quality of your product matters so much, because when customers receive your product, they're gonna return it if they do not like it. So what I love to do is come over to Amazon and actually find that direct product and see what it's rated on Amazon, so we can get a realistic perspective on the quality of this product. And how you can do this is super easy. Just type in the search bar your product's name, so luxury feather lamp for today's example, and usually you'll be able to find the exact same product. So as you can see, this is the exact product that was advertised, and it's being sold for $1,100 here, and it has a 4-star rating. So one thing that I definitely recommend you guys look at is that the ratings are over 4 stars. I personally don't like selling products under 4 stars, because then you might run into those returns and refunds that I was talking about, which obviously is not very fun. And I definitely recommend using this practice on the criteria for all product research methods you're using, not just the Facebook Pixel Helper method that I showed you. And I'm also going to be showing you another method that's super applicable for this as well, using another platform which has been getting me absolutely insane results, which is TikTok. So I'm going to hop into my phone and I'm going to be showing you a way that you can pretty much hack the TikTok algorithm and get them to show you viral products that are selling like mad. All right, so the first step is for you to download TikTok on your phone. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be typing in a few different hashtags. There's 3 different hashtags that I recommend. There's Amazon finds. And when you actually go into this hashtag, what you're going to see is hundreds and actually thousands of products that went viral over here. So you can see all these posts have hundreds of thousands of likes organically, and they're just really random products. So what you can do is you can search through some of these products and see if they have any wow factor or unique selling proposition, and then you can actually sell the exact same products. And guys, this is why I'm telling you TikTok's taking over the e-commerce industry, because you cannot get better market validation than using TikTok. Hundreds of thousands of people liking your post organically. That definitely lets us know that people are interested in our product and that there's a market of people wanting to buy it. So another hashtag that I like looking at is hashtag TikTok made me buy it. This is another really good hashtag. And one thing that you're going to notice about this hashtag is you're going to see a lot of brands on this hashtag. So for example, this post that we just saw, you can see that this is an advertisement going to coil charging cable. So if we go to their page, you can see that this is a drop shipping website with 11,000 followers. And this post got 5 million views, and it's just a phone charger with a few adjustable ports. So it's nothing really that crazy. So there's definitely no better validation than 5 million people telling us that they enjoy this product. Now make sure you're matching any product that you find with the criteria that I mentioned before. Otherwise, you're going to run into so many different issues. And another pro tip that I recommend you do is create a numbers or an Excel sheet and put 15 or 20 products in a list before you even decide to choose your product. And in the Excel sheet, I like to put a few different columns to track the profit margin, how many likes the post has. And then when we actually look at this Excel sheet, we're going to be able to find which products are standing out based off data. And that's what I'm trying to get you guys in the habit of doing, is looking at real data points, because a lot of the time when newbies get into e-commerce, they see a product, they get emotionally attached to it and think that it's the product that's going to sell like hotcakes, but then it just doesn't end up doing that. So I truly think if you take this data-driven approach, you're going to be much more likely to succeed, because this is is what real dropshippers are doing that are making real money. So go out and do this for maybe 5-10 minutes a day and compile your list. One other thing I want to let you guys know about is I do have a product research tool. So I have a team that goes in and scrapes all these product research methods and actually puts 15 products every single week in our product tool, which includes video ads, descriptions, and a couple other cool things. So if you guys want to check that out, link down below. But I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video and got some value. Make sure you're testing out these methods for Q4 because you're literally only one product away from everything completely changing. Go out, crush it, and I'll see you guys next week.